Oops, I did it again. I went shopping for some more threads. You know what it's like when you have an addiction, you just can't stop. I didn't need anything except for one thread. Really, there was only one thread that I needed, but can you walk into a thread store? Can you go to an online thread shop and only buy one thread? I can't. If you've got that kind of willpower, more power to you. But some of you might remember that a while back I was looking to identify a thread I had bought in the past. I was 99% sure it was from House of Embroidery, but I couldn't identify it. And so I had placed an order over at Sue Spargo, got some beautiful threads there, lovely place to shop. But I didn't recognize that this was the thread that I had bought before. Once I identified that it was indeed Hellebore from House of Embroidery, I thought, well, who else might carry this? Because maybe there's another online shop I should be checking out. And let me tell you, I found another great one. This place is called Global Artisans, and they have the largest selection of House of Embroidery threads that I've seen. And I confess, I like their website better. It was much easier for me to navigate, find what I was looking for. It was kind of no nonsense. They do free shipping for $35 and over, and they have an ongoing promotion going right now, which is 20% off of all yarn kits and no promo thing needed. So you can go check that out. But look at all these goodies. And I got 8s because what I had done before, my last order, I bought a lot of 3s and 5s and realized I really wanted some more in the 8s. Let's see. So what did I get? Well, once I ID'd that this indeed was Hellebore, I got a couple strands of those because I just really love this variegated thread. And then of course greens, right? Can I pass by a green? No, this is Bulrush and Moss. The Moss has got just a very subtle variegation in it, and the Bulrush is a solid green. Really nice. Bush. A couple of these I got 2 of, but lemon and lime, so that's a very nice variegation. This would be really good for an underwater scene. It's got almost a blue tint to it. Not showing up really good. It's raining outside right now, so the colors here are kind of so-so. Fern. I mean, you know I've got to do my greens, right? This one I think I got 2 of, yeah. Aquatic. What a gorgeous, gorgeous blue. Delphinium. The Sea. Strelitzia. They are a fabulous threads. These are all hand dyed in South Africa, and just, oh, I'm just really glad that I was able to find Global Artisans because there's Forest. I know that they're going to be getting a whole lot more of my business. Verdun. Oak. Interesting. Doesn't make me think of the oaks in my yard, but it's a completely different oak on the other side of the world, right? And wildlife. But wait, there's more. Because I am always looking for different threads to stitch with. I am not a knitter. I am not a crocheter. But I was super happy to discover these. This is so soft. Whenever I see anything that's got bamboo in it, I got to check it out. So these are what they call Vinnies colors, and there's a variety. This is the Tory, and it is 50% cotton, 50% bamboo, and this is a non-divisible thread, but you can couch with this and you can stitch with this. There's no reason. Remember, if you can get it through a needle, you can stitch with it. This is Bambi, and Bambi is 70% cotton slub, 30% bamboo viscose. I probably am pronouncing that wrong, but this is, again, very soft. And you probably could split this, but why would you want to? Because it's just this wonderfully thick thread. And again, if you can get it on a needle, you can stitch with it. This is 100% cotton. This is Nikim. This particular color is olive. It kind of, I can't even say that it's like a shoelace. This one you could actually split apart. It's a cotton, and you could split it apart and stitch with 1 or 2 or 3 strands, but I'm going to probably use it to make some really nice bullion knots. And then this one, 100% bamboo viscose, however you say that. And it is so soft, and it is so yummy, and I am definitely going to need to get more. So this is the Serena. And again, these are all in the Vinnies colors. And so each name on here is going to have a different makeup. And this is the Tory, doesn't have a label on it. So all of these came from Global Artisans, free shipping for $35 or more. And I hope you'll go check them out, because navigating their site, being able to see great big images of the threads really made it a lot easier for me to find the threads that I wanted to work with.